Morning, everybody. So this is how I start every day. 6:20, and I'm on my way to go milk the cow. Now, I'm typically a night owl, so this whole getting up in the morning has taken a little bit of getting used to, but I'm getting there. I've actually kind of grown to like the whole getting up early in the morning thing. It's so peaceful. Nobody's up yet. Kind of gives me time to talk to God in the morning and hopefully set my day on the right course. And the company's pretty good. Hi, Mama. She's pretty patient, and she's not very fussy. She doesn't talk back, so that's good. So, about a little more than a gallon of the best milk you ever tasted. Then, if I'm not keeping the milk for us, the pigs, which you probably can't see, are really excited to see me. Then it's back in the house, where I hope the kids are all still sleeping. So before I went out to milk, I started today's video uploading. Our internet is free time up until 8 o'clock, so I set that to go before I go out. When I come back in, I finish editing the video on YouTube's site. So if you guys can see that, there's today's video. And if I go back to the video manager here, you guys will see the magic of publishing. The video was successfully published. So now I start for right now I'm starting on the next day's vlog. So, and as you can see, the kids were not asleep when I came in. They're early risers. They must take after their mom. Okay guys, so we're heading off to 2 basketball games. We have 3 basketball games tomorrow. So this is going to be a basketball kind of weekend. So we're just getting home from basketball. We lost one and won one. Everybody got to play though, so that's good. Met my wife for dinner, and now I'm coming home to milk the cow while she goes to pick up Homestead Boy 1 from practice, swim practice. So for night milking, I just repeat the process as I did in the morning, except this time we're running low on milk in the house. So I'm going to milk into our stainless steel bucket, and we're going to end up keeping milk. So we just got finished milking. I'm just going to go put the bucket with the cleaning supplies, hi sweetheart, and the food bucket back in the barn, and then we will go bottle up the milk. Okay guys, so after I milk, I bring the milk in, and I grab a 1 gallon jug and a stainless steel filter. This stainless steel filter has a stainless steel microfilter, with lots of teeny tiny holes. And then over top of that, I put one of these. It is called a isotropic filter clean. It's made specifically for filtering milk. And then this is just a pressure clamp that goes right here, and set this down. It holds the filter in like that. So then I put that there. And I start pouring. Now this bucket is about 3 gallons, and I think I got it a little bit less than half full. We normally get somewhere between a gallon and a gallon and a half. So I will start pouring into here. I'll fill it up most of the way. Like that. Move this to here, and then I just start filling up 1/2 gallon jars. So there's a half a gallon. Looks like it's going to be closer to just 1 gallon. So there's this. Normally if I'm going to fill this up about halfway, I would put it in, but there's going to be less than that. So I'm going to grab a smaller jar. Since this is just for our family, it really doesn't matter what size jars they go in. Like that. And then I move everything over to the sink to clean it. Because if you don't clean this stuff right away, it turns like milk pretty much turns to glue. So it makes it a lot harder to clean. So I will can it up. And then what I do is grab a, let me turn this off. What I do is I grab a dry erase marker and I write the date on it. So today is the 3rd, I should know that. And I'll write 3P for PM. So if there's any confusion as to when the milk was milked, we know. It was on the 3rd, the PM milking. So I put this then into the freezer, and I leave it in the freezer for 40 minutes just to cool it down quicker, and then I pull it out, put it in the fridge, and we're good with milk.